Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install DindeGDPS Geode and the DindeGDPS MODPACK. First of all, you need to have DindeGDPS and Geode already installed, just like this. Then open Geode and let it download everything. Then load Geode so that it can set up everything so that we are sure that everything is loaded. Then close the app and we'll go on Chrome. This link will be in the description, and you need to download one of those versions if you are on mobile, but since I am on emulator, it will be one of those versions. I'll go with the downloads and install Termux. There we go. Then run this command, which will also be in the description, and run it. We need storage permission, and once you are ready, press any key like there we go. It will install all of the mods required for the GDPS as well as the configurations so that you can have globed on DindeGDPS, level thumbnails, etc. Here we go. Once you see this message, you are done. And let's see the result. Also, John might crash, and this is because of Glob not understanding your screen size, so you will have to put it on full screen and then opening Geometry Dash via Geode.